In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a meeting link in Pipedrive. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's jump right into it. First, you'll want to open Pipedrive. Once you're in, look at the left-hand sidebar menu. Here, you'll want to select Activities. This is where all your upcoming actions are logged, and it's where we'll begin setting up your meeting link. Next, you'll see various options related to your activities, but what we're focusing on today is the meeting scheduler. Find the button labeled Meeting Scheduler, which is located at the top of the Activities page. Go ahead and click on that. Once you've clicked on the Meeting Scheduler, you'll be presented with several choices. For this step, select the option that says Pick Times. This allows you to manually choose the specific blocks of time you want to offer for your meeting. It's a great way to ensure you're only proposing times that work for you. Now, let's move on to setting the duration of your meeting. In the top left corner, you'll find options for how long you'd like the meeting to be, such as 15, 30, or 60 minutes. Choose whichever duration fits your needs best. After you've set the duration, take a moment to look at the calendar grid. This is where you can select the specific dates and time slots you're available to meet. Make sure to double-check that your time zone is correct. This is crucial if you're working with clients from different regions. Once you've selected your preferred dates and time slots, click on the Continue button to proceed to meeting details. Now, it's time to fill in the details of your meeting. Enter a clear and concise meeting title so your client knows what to expect. You can also add a location if it's in person, or include a video link if it's a virtual meeting. Don't forget to write a short description or agenda for the meeting, giving your client an idea of what will be discussed. Once you've filled out all this information, hit the Continue button again. Congratulations! At this point, Pipedrive will generate your custom meeting link. You'll see it on your screen. Click to copy the link, and now you can easily share it. You can paste this link into an email, chat, or message to your contact. This makes it super convenient for your client to access the scheduling options. The process is almost complete. Once your client receives the link, they can click on it and choose their preferred time slot from the ones you've offered. The best part is that as soon as they confirm a slot, the meeting is instantly scheduled and synced to your Pipedrive activities. You'll see it on your calendar, and both you and your client will be updated with all the necessary details. And there you have it. You now know how to create a meeting link in Pipedrive. This will save you time and streamline your scheduling process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips.